Now let's see. Now let's see the first part. 汉字，汉字. Okay, the first one. 门，门 door. Yeah, 门 originally referred to the two panels of a door at the entrance of a house, which can open and close. Yeah, like this, and now like this. 门. Next one. 羊, sheep. Yeah. The original form of yang looks like a sheep's hide facing us. A sheep's hide. This one? A sheep's hide. Okay. Now let's writing. Okay, let's writing. Follow me. Follow me. Yang. Oh. Okay, be straight. Okay, next one. 自行车 bicycle. Okay. Now that's writing. Mm. 车 Oh my god, a little ugly. Yeah, because I can control this pen. But you guys have to write straight, okay? Yeah, straight. Next one. 因为 because 因为 为 okay. Okay, next one. 打 means play. 横 竖 勾 okay. Okay, now this homework after class you have to finish. Okay, 一个汉字书写3遍。Yeah, one Chinese character read 3 times. Okay, just like this one. Like this, okay. You can write in your notebook. Write in your notebook, okay. And like this, meaning, meaning and pinyin and characters and the Chinese characters, okay.